Hello and welcome to this episode of Talkin Trim. Today we are looking at the door recess panels for the Jaguar E-types. Now we're basically talking about these plastic panels here, as seen in this photo here. So it had the slots in the door panel, and then it had the door release lever inside the slot. This slot started appearing on the Series 1.5 cars. Not all of them. Some of them didn't have a slot, as with the Series 1s. And then some of the Series 1.5s and Series 2s, the slot size changed. Now, whenever we confirm an order for E-type doors or trim kit, we always ask our customers to measure from here to here. The rare cars, Series 1.5 cars, some of them left with this distance being 25.5 centimetres roughly, whereas the majority of them, if they had this slot in, were 28 centimetres. Not to be confused with the Series 3 cars, where they all had a slot in, but it was an oval shape and much smaller. They're not part of this conversation. This is purely for the cutaways that look roughly like this, that varied in length. Now, these are strictly speaking from a two-seater fixed head Series 1.5 car, and these are actually the rare versions. So this is 25.5 centimetres, so just bear that in mind. Now, for many years, and I believe the majority of the other suppliers in the market, this was the go-to. Moulded, and it was one size fits all. But unfortunately, due to feedback we've had over the years with certain customers, they work but not great. The one size kind of fitted all, but not that well. So we've actually gone back to the drawing board, and we've literally taken some original molds from the Series 1.5s and the Series 2s, and we've made two separate panels. You can see here. That's the Series 1.5, or rather the 25.5 centimetre one, and this is the 28 centimetre, the much more commonly seen one. Whereas this one here is, in inverted commas, universal, but it really doesn't work that well. See our blog post that I'm going to be doing, which shows them in place in the car. So just thought I'd point out that we actually offer ones that fit very, very nicely to the original spec and design of the actual slot size, as opposed to trying to cut some costs and making a generic one. So just bear that in mind, which is the extra lengths that we go to with these things here. It's also worth noting they're originally always black, molded plastic. We can offer them trimmed in either vinyl or leather, so if you want to change it in line with your interior trim colour, then that is an option for us to trim them as well. So yeah, just thought I'd do this very quick short video just to show that element there, that basically this is commonly seen on the market and is meant to be universal for all of them, but actually the versions that we do, where you tell us exactly what slot size you've got, and we've got the two different panels accordingly, work a lot better, as demonstrated on this door here. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and of course leave any comments below. And be sure to check out our website and handbook blog area, where I'll be doing various articles detailing some of these bits that I've spoken about in the video. Thanks, see you next time.